video. Today I'm going to go and pick a tranny up. That's not like the cross-dress variety. It's a Ford Transit. Well, I think I'm going to go and have a look at one. I've always wanted one in it, so I thought I'd make a little video on it. So I've got the trailer all hooked up and that on the old orange ting. Got the old ratchet straps in the back and that to strap her down. Sounds a bit wrong, strapping the tranny down, but that's what we'll be doing. And here's Ginge as well. He's coming with us as well. He's just rocked up in his landy. Let's go and say hello to him. Apparently he's had a late night. Busy on the phone there, Ginge. So go and make him a brew and go on a little road trip. Want to see a man about a tranny, Ginge?
Oh yeah, it's all about them trannies.
Whee! A big pile of money for the purchase of the day, if we do purchase it. What do you think, Ginge?
Yeah, we'll have to see what it's like, won't we?
Yeah. It's all about a good tranny. That's it, time to go now. Have a little road trip. Ginger's got his brew. Sun's out. That's it, here we go. Well, we've just rocked up in Daventry and found ourselves a tranny, haven't we, Ginge?
Found a tranny.
And we purchased it. There she is. Look at that bad boy. It's alright, isn't it? Mk1 Transit, diesel, Retroness. So that's the next project. So just found a burger bar over there. So we're just going to pull up, get some scran, and then have a little nice drive on the way home. Making a little pit stop, checking all the ratchet straps are still on, checking that my tranny's still on the back. All good. She's still there. Ginger's made his own little stream. Back en route again. Even got some nice cakes to be going on with, innit?
I know, I might save mine for the brew when we get back actually.
Yeah, I might as well. Right, off we pop. Well, we're back off our little road trip. The tranny's still on the back, it's not falling off. So we're going to get a quick brew and then unload her and then drive it down the bottom. Job's a good one, mate.
Ignore the man, them water bam bam, cause them dog and drunk come mama bun pan. Ignore the man, them water bam bam, cause them dog and drunk come mama bun pan. Ignore the man, them water bam bam, cause them dog and drunk come mama bun pan. Ignore the man, them water bam bam, cause them dog and drunk come mama bun pan.
Well, there she is. She is a belter. She meant her, isn't she? She is. Shut the door, let the YouTubers have a quick look. Look at that. Not bad at all, that. Might get a different tailgate for it instead of the 2 doors. The lift up one instead, because I like the look of them. Have a look at the front of it. Here's some donkeys. Donkeys like it as well, don't you, donks? Hey, what do you reckon?
Donkey.
Hey, donkey. You having a good sniff? Good sniff, mate. There's the front of it. She's not bad at all. Don't know who TLM is. But yeah, she's there. Have a little drive of it now. Time for the first little drive, isn't it? Woo! Hey, hey! Belter, left hand drive and everything. Everyone's going to get in the way now. Hang on, mate. Yeah. Hey! Yeah. Whee! Going for a bit of a smoke up the track again.
Because we're cleaning this bloody windscreen.
Oh yeah. She's a belter, mate.
She's a belter.
Sticking accelerator pedal.
Them kids are up at that tip, just so you know.
Yeah.
Just give it some now.
I am. Definitely needs a gearbox then. Off-roading, bit of off-roading. There we go.
Hey!
Hey! Get a modern engine in it, modern gearbox, that works. And that'll do, mate. It's alright, that, isn't it?
Good that, mate.
Pull the button to turn it off.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Woo! You even got a spare engine, spare injector pump, some brand new spanking pistons there, which you didn't know about. Water pump, I think. Some more speedo, bits and bobs. Get another gearbox in there.
Some speedos for your tranny.
Yeah. Box full of goodies. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, mate.
That engine's been dropped.
I know, yeah, and front pulley's knackered, innit?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Having a different one in. Left-hand drive. I'll have to sort that out. Did. She's not bad though. She's not bad at all, mate. Original Steelies. Hubcaps on.
Quite comfy actually.
It is quite comfy, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't believe how comfy it is for an old vehicle.
Let's have a look under.
Like you could travel distance and be comfy on this.
Yeah. We'll put some captain seats in though, innit, eventually. What spin round. Let's have a look under the bonnet. The old diesel engine, that'll be coming out. Putting something more modern in. Don't know if I'll have to modify that tunnel or not yet, I don't know. But she's a bull nose, so I can get quite a big motor in it. Not bad at all, well chuffed. Not bad at all. Need to have a bit of a shuffle around in my unit now to get her in. Well, she's in there. Had a bit of a shuffle round and that, and squeezed her in. She looks good there in the corner. Get a bit of work done on her and that. Started doing a few on the Transit, so I'll probably do a few more when I start doing a bit of work on it. So yeah, check out my other videos. Like them or dislike them, subscribe, and yeah, I'll do some more in the future. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.